Hi, this is Stux. Today I'll be teaching you an easy Christmas cookie recipe. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. The special ingredient in today's cookie recipe is my extract and the use of corn flour. For my extract, I use vanilla extract and almond extract. If you've not been using corn flour in your cookie recipe, I would advise to give it a try. With corn flour, you don't have to use baking powder because corn flour prevents your cooking from spreading. It helps them to stay in shape and it makes it soft, light and chewy. What is your favorite cookie recipe? Let me know in the comment section or simply share with me and I will try it out. Also, in celebration of Christmas, share with me your favorite Christmas song in the comment section, or what is it you like most about Christmas. Let's interact. Once my batter is fully mixed, I transfer to a flat surface where I can roll and just dust the table with a bit of flour and roll. And when rolling, you roll to your desired thickness. Then you cut with the cutters you have. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Stux and on this channel I upload yummy recipes, healthy drink recipes, career talk, travel vlogs and some other freestyle content. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. Once your cookies are all set, bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once the baking time is over, bring out your cookies and allow to cool to gain some firmness before storing or before decorating. And for decorating my cookies, I'm going to use royal icing and some sprinkles. And royal icing is just icing sugar mixed with egg whites. You can also add in some food colors you have at home to your icing. So will you be giving this recipe a try? Let me know in the comment section. And that will be all for today's video. Do not forget to like the video, share and comment, and Merry Christmas in advance.